Cardinality is another operation where you specify one or many object. In case it is a many, then it will become array. In case it is one, that means it becomes a object. Here I am having a one object under a product, only one object. But in cardinality in my spec I am specifying that products, under products, whatever object you get, they are many. There are many objects. So in that case, products will become an array like this, and my object which is picked up from a product will be placed here. So this way you can specify a cardinality and you can convert one object into an array. This is another part. Like you have an array already in an input. You have a two objects, object 1, object 2. But in cardinality you specify that I am expecting only one object under products. So it will pick up a products and it will pick up a first one, this one, and discard a second one, or any further. If you have a 10 object, all the 10 objects will be discarded, only first one will be picked up. In input you had an array, but in output you will not have an array. In output you will have a direct object here. So when you specify many, it adds an array. When you specify one, it removes an array. This is a cardinality.